First of all, a quick recap of algebra. If I have E times E times E, that is the same as E cubed. Okay? If I have E plus E plus E, that's when I have three lots of E. Okay? Make sure that you are clear of the distinction between the two. Let's look at this. 18e cubed f plus 45e squared f to the power 4 factorize fully. So factorize means writing them in bracket. What I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to see what are the factors of 18 and what are the factors of 45. What is the highest common factor of 18 and 45? What is the biggest number that can go into 14 and go into 18 and 45? It is 9, yeah? So 9. So it's 9 times 2 is going to give me 18. E cubed is E times E times E. F is times 1F. So basically 18E cubed F, if I break it up, is 9 times 2 times E times E times E times F. What about 45? 45 is 9 times 5. E squared is E times E. And F to the power 4 is F times F times F times F 4 times. Now hopefully this helps you see how you can factorize this particular expression fully. You can tell 9 is there, so 9 is there. And also we know when I work it out, it has to have a plus in the middle, so 9 can be factorized. So just dealing with the numbers, I'm going to be left with 2 in there, and I'm going to be left with 5 in there. Can you see that? What about E? So numbers dealt with, now E. So I've got E there and E there twice, E there and E there twice. So I've got a pair left with an E there. So this would be E squared that can be factorized, and I'm left with E there. And there's no more E there. And finally F. What about F? So there's one F and there are four F's. So I can take one out, put an F there, and then there's no F there. That's left with F to the power of 3. So rewriting the answer, this is 9 E squared F 2E plus 5F cubed. Check answers. 9 times 2 is 18. E squared times E is E cubed. F times 1 is F. 9 times 5 is 45. E squared with no E there is E squared. F and F cubed is F to the power 4. So that is the correct answer. Now I hope by breaking these down into its factors, it helps you understand the process of factorization better. And now look at this one. Solve x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals to 0. Show clear algebraic working. The question did not ask us to find answer correct to 3 decimal places. That means there's no need for you to use the quadratic formula. It looks like this is the one that you need to do by factorizing x squared minus 4x minus 12. And I don't know whether you remember this. Yeah, you're using our grid method. Start with x squared here. I've got minus 12 here. And I want to get minus 4x. What can I do? So that is x times x. That will give me x squared. Minus 12 comes from 6 times 2. But if I want minus 4, probably negative there and positive there. Let's check. Minus 6 times positive 2 is minus 12. Minus 6 times x is minus 6x. X multiplied by plus 2 is plus 2x. So this is when you times, yeah? Times. And if I collect the like terms, minus 6x and plus 2x gives me minus 4x. Good, so I've got it sorted. So let's rewrite my calculation. It's x squared minus 4x minus 12 is equals to 0. And we always do the same thing. You make sure you remember this process. So this is x plus 2 from this side of the grid, and x minus 6 from here, x minus 6. The next line that you always write is x plus 2 is equals to 0, or x minus 6 is equals to 0. So now in this case x must be minus 2 or x must be equals to 6. There you go. Those are your answers. Now, how do you know whether the answer is correct? Well, if you put minus 2 into here and here, you get 0. Likewise, if you substitute 6 into x and work out the value, you will get 0.